cash flow statement indirect method. Cash flow statement indirect method. Right. First one, cash flow from operating activities. A, net profit as per profit and loss account. Net profit as per profit loss account, that is closing net profit minus opening net profit. Closing balance minus opening balance. Right. From this, just add proposed dividend current year. Proposed dividend current year. Add interim dividend current year. Add transfer any amount to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve. Add provision for tax. Add provision for tax current year. Add provision for tax current year. Less refund of tax. Answer, net profit before taxation and extraordinary item. So add depreciation. Add interest on borrowings. Add preliminary expenses. Bar underwriting commission if anything paid. Underwriting commission if anything paid. Add issue of debenture shares return of portion. Bar shares return of portion. Add any intangible assets, that is goodwill, trademark, patent, return of any intangibles, return of, just add. So add loss on sale of fixed assets. Example, machinery, plant, investments. Add premium payable on redemption of debentures and preference share capital. Premium payable on redemption of preference share capital, debentures. So less interest income which is credited in the P&L account. Less dividend income less any income credited in P&L account, example rental income, less profit on sale of machinery, profit on sale of fixed assets, example machinery investments, profit and sale of fixed asset machinery investments. So answer, operating profit before working capital changes, from here you have to add decrease in current assets. From here you have to add decrease in current assets and increase in current liability, because decrease in current asset, increase in current liability, increase your cash flow. Decrease in current asset means decrease in stock, decrease in bills receivable, decrease in debtors, decrease in prepaid expenses, decrease in accrued commission, Similarly, add increase in current liability items, increase in creditors, increase in outstanding expenses, increase in commission received in advance, increased in provision for doubtful debts, right. Next, less items, less increase in current asset and less increase in current asset, and decrease in current liability, Similarly, increase in stock, less increase in debtors, bar bills receivable, less increase in prepaid expenses, accrued income, prepaid expenses, accrued income. Similarly, decrease in creditors, bills payable, decrease in creditors, bills payable. Decrease in creditors means there is a cash outflow. Similarly, decrease in outstanding expenses, commission received in advance. Similarly, decrease in provision for doubtful debts. So these are the items to be less. Decrease in provision for doubtful debts, less. Answer, cash generated from operations. The result, cash generated from operations. Less income tax paid, refund of tax net, after adjusting refund tax, income tax paid to be adjusted. Answer, cash flow before extraordinary item, then extraordinary item to be added or subtracted according to the condition. If there is any revenue to be added, if there is a loss to be subtracted, extraordinary item. Answer: net cash flow from operating activities. Okay, right. This is a net cash flow from operating activities. First part of cash flow statement is over. Next, the second part B. Cash flow from investing activities. Cash flow from investing activities. Here, fixed asset increase or fixed asset decrease? Proceeds of, so here just add, if there is any sale of any fixed asset, add. So proceeds of fixed assets, proceeds of sale of fixed assets. Example: machinery, plant, fixed asset, machinery, plant, investments, land, anything sold, it is add. Right. Example next less. Purchased of fixed asset. Example: when you are going to buy a plant, it is to be subtracted. Purchase of investments, so purchase of land to be subtracted. Answer: net cash flow from investing activities. This is going to be B. If there is any positive figure, net cash flow. If it is a negative figure, used. Net cash flow from investing activities. Next, C. So cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from financing activities. First, proceeds from issue of share capital. So automatically share capital increases, there is a finance cash flow. Similarly, proceeds from issue of debentures. Similarly, proceeds from issue of preference share capital. Similarly, this is financing activities. Okay, so cash flow of investment activity is over. Next, financing activities. Okay, proceeds from preference share capital. Next, similarly, redemption of preference share capital. So this is add item 1, 2, 3, preference share capital, and the loan also, fine. Less item, redemption of preference share capital, debenture. Similarly, less item, repayment of loan, less item, interest, dividend paid, inter-dividend paid or final dividend, both dividend paid, less. So answer: net cash flow from financing activities. Is going to be C. So add: A, cash flow from operating activity; B, cash flow from investing activity; cash flow from financing activity. Answer: A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C, if we just add A, B, C, answer: cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent during the year. From this add cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent beginning of the year. Beginning of the year. Beginning of the year. Example, cash in hand beginning, cash at bank beginning, cash at bank beginning, marketable securities beginning, less bank overdraft beginning. So these are the beginning items, add and less. Similarly, add, you will be getting closing, so cash and cash at the year, just add cash and cash at bank beginning, market securities beginning minus bank OD beginning. So less, so answer will be getting answer cash and cash equivalent, end of the year you will be getting, end of the year you can check cash in hand at the year end and bank. Similarly, marketable securities at the end, less bank overdraft, So cash and cash at the end of the year, from this just adjust these items, you will be getting these items. So this is end of cash flow. So this is the answer you have to get. Closing cash and cash equivalent you will be getting. This is cash flow statement, indirect method.